place you're watching me from. On today's video is another special video, guys. I'm shooting this video from a beautiful village over here. I decided to start this video from the road, and as you see, I'm heading on to town. Ooh. There's something I want to do here in town. I want to go fuel our machine first, then later on head to the agrovet. Our maize are really stunted and we want to boost them. We want to boost them with some fertilizer. So I want to head to the town. Yeah, sorry guys. So I was heading in town. I met a friend there and we had to converse a little bit. We have some exchange of words or ideas. You know, when I say exchange of words, it sounds bad, but when we say exchange of ideas, it makes sense. Yeah, so heading there, I want to go fuel the motorbike first, then buy the fertilizer. We'll be heading to our dreamland. I want to see what's going on our dreamland, and we see people heading to Nairobi. Literally, also schools are opening right now. Yeah, schools are opening. That's why you see a lot of buses and cars running up and down. Because they want to commute students from one place to another, heading back to school. And we have these trucks around here. They always bring food. They always bring goods, man. Oh, they always bring goods from Tanzania, this area, Kenya. Wow, I forgot to fuel. Let me fuel. So guys, I'm from fueling from Shell. So let's proceed to the border town where we buy our fertilizer. We proceed back home. Check on staffs. These trucks always bring maize here and some other goods. But now the big problem is maize is still, we have a lot of tasks and it's being surprised around. Let's go. Slowly. That's the police station. We have a police station over here. That's the border town, Burundi. Nairobi. Let's see what's going on. South Africa, sis. This is the border town, guys. Called Sirari. This is the biggest mosque over here. Very big mosque. And also we have a hospital here called Kafi Hospital. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The border town itself. See this at the border town. Then we check on some stuff. We'll be back. February itself. Look amazing. So that heads to Tanzania, and this one heads to another place. This is where it's called Nairobi Ndogo. Where plastics, utensils, get them around here. This is the wall that separates now Kenya and Tanzania. The other side is the migration area, no man's land. Alright guys. So guys, I'm buying the urea. So this is the urea fertilizer. You just have to take it to the farm, and then just kidogo kidogo our maize will come up. Because for now they are stunted a little bit. So this is what you see, what urea looks like, guys. It's kind of different. I used to think it's the one that have bigger pebbles, but this one has small pebbles, which means it's the best. And because now we have rain, just come very nice. Then we see what's going on around. Alright, so guys, my fertilizer is here, and I just want to go back to the farm and just put little by little. I want just to tie it to fasten it, because hey, if I leave it just like that, let me use a certain rope. I want to become a straight rope for a minute. Then I pick this rope just like that. I fasten our urea fertilizer, then it will be good. Alright. Yes, my people, guys, my guys. Let's now head to the farm. We have our fertilizer here, and everything is very nice. Also, we are on this side. This is the side that it's the let's say the last road in Kenya and Tanzania that heads downwards. That's why you see you have a lot of trucks around that carry goods. That carry goods all along. So let's proceed pole. The other side is Tanzania. So I have to pass through this area so that I can proceed to my farm, so that we can see what's going on around the other side of the farm. We used to pass here when we used to go to the river. There's a certain river that we used to go swim, but it's a dam. Let's say it's a dam. Tata. So guys, this is what you see around this area called Nyamwini. Nyamwini starts from this area now, heads all the way to Mabrela. Met a neighbor of mine. We are now seeing the church here. This round season, I cannot complain that it's only my maize that are making bad yields. Most of the farmers this round, I'm not sure if they'll make a better yield compared maybe to last year or some years back. Because the yields that are being produced right now, it's not really the same as despite that things are moving on. It's not the same. So kids are opening soon today now. School. There is a nice place here, very nice spot. Trees. Let's enjoy the view, guys. Nice view. Tunyamwini telenovelas. Right. Just walk all without hurry. Just started a little bit, so not even let me see what's going on. Heading downwards to Nyamwini. As we are here, heading down. Look at the view. From here you can view Nastos place from afar. And view also Clouds place. It rained yesterday. Let's see. Oh yeah. Kids are at the farm. Unaona? Sana. Let's see. Our great farm. Now we are here. Let me check. Also our house looks very nice. So soon we'll be about finishing up, and then we start our project. And look at our maize. Guys, that's our manager, Mr. Enricos himself. He's opening the gate. Yeah. And you can see what we are doing. And then we finish up. Alright guys, let's proceed. Let's go. Pole. Without no hurry. Yes, pole. Enrico says he was at the farm. Our great house with him. Yeah guys, this is the final product, but not the most final. So we are at the farm around here, and this is what you see. Our kills also are doing well, so just add fertilizer kidogo, and it will be better for it to grow well. Mr. Enrico tells me that he was at the farm here. He was weeding. So which means if we put more fertilizer, the maize will come up very well. They were literally waiting for the rain, you know. So you see how our maize are. So just to add fertilizer and they come up well. just to add up urea. You know, when you put urea here right now, the boost will be high. You know. Hey, will I not even get a guava here, Mr. Guava? Madam Guava, how are you? Have a very indigenous guava. And you know, the moment you put your land clean like this, it always looks better. Enrico was doing some cleaning again. I love the fact that this place, I don't know if it's because maybe it's because when this place, I don't know how I can discuss, but this place has heavy and big maize compared to other places. You see how they are very big and healthy, compared to maybe down there or the other side. But let me save them. I literally want to save them as early as now, before it's too late. You know, before it's too late. Whatever we get is ours, because we will not force it to grow. But whatever we will get belongs to us. You know, let's try as much as we can. We give it fertilizer. We make them come up well. Not least these ones. So look at my neighbor's maize. They're also crying in a big way. And I would love this guy to do the cleaning of, you know, this is now the boundary. I love him to do the cleaning the way he's doing cleaning around here, all the way through to the upper side of the land. You know, so let's put up the fertilizer, guys, and we'll see what's going on. Alright, see you. Guys, look at my hands. Look at my hands now. Like it has been a nice place. We have been putting fertilizer, but now the fertilizer has gone off. So I've decided to pause for a moment, call somebody to bring me more fertilizer, like let me say 4 kgs now. I bought 8 kgs, and the 8 kgs has only put up very little space. Like, we have remained with this maize here. It's a two what we call like hips, but the rest, all the way you see, all this down here, it has been sorry guys, excuse me. It has been gifted by fertilizer. You see how we were putting up, that's fertilizer, what you see around that one, all the way around here. And the good thing is Enrico was putting up what you call like, he was weeding. So I told him, let's put the what you call like fertilizer, then the rest he will be weeding when the fertilizer now has done what you call like, it has melted. Now we are putting a very nice portion of fertilizer, a very nice one, you know, a very nice one. And I'm very happy that they are coming along well. So this will give them in a few days. The fertilizer will start working around here, and I'm planning, guys, like, oh, now the fertilizer ended here. The fertilizer ended on this side. I'm planning to put here a toilet. So he was using this kind of a bottle, the bottle top, to put fertilizer. You know, when you're using a bottle top, it will not go much, just go in a very same ratio, very same ratio. You know, it's a very same ratio, and that will go on very well. So on this side also, our kales needs more fertilizer for them to grow well. But for now, as you see, they're kind of very clean. So Soon we'll be harvesting. Very soon, in about a week. If the rain will be raining consistently for a week, we will be having kales all around. So let me pause. The sun is too much for now. I want to pause and check what's going on around. There's some fruits here, passion fruits, but they're very, very, very far. Yeah, so sometimes when I'm here settled, checking on our land, looking what's happening around, I feel so blessed. Because there are those who maybe will maybe to have a land like this or to have a space like this, but I don't. And sometimes when also I'm at my lowest moment, I sit here, check on what's going on around, and I'm like, God, I'm grateful. I know one day we'll be somewhere else. So let me wait for Enrico to come. He has gone for breakfast, and he'll come so that we can keep on finishing putting up the fertilizer all around. All right, guys, the fertilizer is less. We have to go back to the town again to buy more fertilizer. The fertilizer is less. I see people there. So let me head to the town, the border town. This is what you see all along. So guys, I just bought the fertilizer. I bought it from this area called Ushindi Stove. So I definitely want to go back. I want to tie it so that I can head back on again. Alright. Our fertilizer is there. Weka ndani ya ndoo. So Enrico is measuring there. So we are using this one, bottle top. It looks like salt, but it's not salt. Yeah. So chachote na yangu pia. Tantaria. So let's add, guys. We see what we take there. So this one melts very fast. So ango answer hayo answer hambarai. So let's see what's going on. So guys, I'm heading back home. I'm taking kales for the chicken. Stop doing what we call I've finished putting up the fertilizer, the urea fertilizer. Now it's me to go back home pole pole and to see what's going on around. Wow, there's a very nice project going down here. Putting up fertilizer, as Maro's put fertilizer for maize and that stuff. Oh, nice. I'm going home. Narudi nyumbani, nyumbani. I'm going home. Home where we belong. Oh, narudi nyumbani. Fine Monday morning. It's an amazing time. Things are going on okay. Alright guys. Also the good news is that I've come home and our road is being made. Like they are trying to make the road. As you see, they are digging it. They are trying to dig it all along. So let's try and see how it's going. They have tried their best to dig the road. Hopefully they haven't destroyed our space. Let's see. Hopefully they haven't destroyed our space because I really worked hard fixing my space. Let me go check what's going on around all along. I tried to fix my space all along. Let me go check what's going on around. Today we get very peaceful. Let's go check on it.